Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 20 Lite, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. And to get started, let's hold the power key. There we go. From here, select power off. And when the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the Honor logo on the screen, you may let go of the keys. There we go. And as you can see, we should now be in the recovery mode. So from here, all you need to do is simply click on the clear data and then wipe cache partition. It will immediately begin. As you can see, it's finished in a matter of a couple of seconds. And from here, you want to select back, restart, and this will take us back to the Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.